My name is Stephanie Bernadelle. I am 26 years old and I'm from Laurelton, Queens. And I am the next OWN TV star. I graduated from NYU's Gallatin School of Individualized Study with a concentration in media, identity, and the search for utopia via consumption. Currently, I am obtaining my MPA at the School of Public Affairs at CUNY Baru, and I am the chapter assistant to a major New York labor union. When I was younger, if anyone asked me, what do you want to be when you get older, I'd say Oprah. I've always been interested in a career in television, and in my spare time, I work with an entertainment website and interview artists in the Haitian music industry. Since everyone's talking about immigration, I thought, why not do a show on identity in America? The USA is a melting pot, and all Americans at some point or another are the descendants of immigrants, whether by choice, by force, or by necessity, and I want to explore that. Particularly, how do young Americans, such as myself, identify themselves? Well, why not? Come on, Coco, let's go inside. One thing that you should definitely know about me, I'm Haitian American. The way that I see myself, my culture, my acceptance of that culture, it plays a large part in my life and who I am now and who I'm destined to become. It plays a part in the way that people perceive me, in the way that people receive me, and in my interactions with others. Living in New York City, you meet all kinds of people from all different backgrounds, cultures, styles of life, and what sets us apart is that description, that classification that we choose to put in front of the hyphen. How do you bridge that gap? What category has life placed you in? Have you accepted that grouping, or through self-discovery, have you placed yourself in a different box? Do you shun all attempts at placing yourself in a box? What's your story and what has it done for you? How do you define your hyphenated existence? My name is Stephanie. That's my concept, and I'd appreciate your vote. Bye.